हबीब सर को मैं बुलाता हूँ डॉक्टर जैकल एंड मिस्टर हाइड। जब मैं हबीब सर को पहली बार मिला था, आई थॉट व्हाट अ स्वीट मैन। आई मेट हिम एट अ रेस्टोरेंट लाइक दिस। वी स्पोक अबाउट लाइफ, अबाउट द न्यूज़, अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, kind of cinema, etc. And I thought, oh, he'll be a fantastic director to work with. What a gentleman, which he is. But he's a very hardcore taskmaster when it comes to getting a performance out, and I didn't anticipate that. जब आप एक्टिंग क्लास करके आते हो, यू अबाउट 23-24, यू फील यार मुझे एक्टिंग आ गई समझ, अब मैं आई कैन हैंडल एक्टिंग एंड ऑल दैट जैज. And he just made me realize that, boss, you are not ready to be an actor because you've never seen anything outside Bombay city. So he became Mr. Hyde. Suddenly he just had this whole thing about तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे. When we started working, doing the workshops, he realized you don't have the body language, you can't act, you can't speak the dialect, you're too fat, you're too sluggish, you don't have the personality. So he just kept on like I just felt that I should retire before even becoming an actor. But that was his process of breaking me to create Parma. That's what I realized later. He spent about 20 days cutting me down to size and making me forget Arjun Kapoor and the baggage that I carry, to make me realize that there is more to me than just being a boy living in Juhu, not knowing about the world, etc., etc. And he mentored me through that whole period when I was not sure if I can do it or not. He got confidence in me, and then he held our hands, Pariniti and mine. I mean, his conviction that Pariniti got the film. Um, he had ample opportunity to take an established actor for that role because it's such a well-written role. But he stuck to his guns. He wanted somebody new. He took Pariniti. He took me. He could have made the film with, say, Ranveer and Anushka, just given band baja. He could have chosen to make it with Ranveer, Anushka, and cash in on that. But he wanted to tell this story with new people. And I'm grateful that he came into my life. He really pushed me.